Mother gives the boy a glass of milk. The moon is shining in the sky. The little mouse finds the mirror and peeks inside.
Ouch! A mouse!
A cheeky monkey swings through the window.
The cheeky monkey takes the mirror. Oh no!
Mummy gently takes the mirror back. Oh dear, Monkey is crying. Mummy tucks the little boy into bed. Now he is fast asleep.
Let's say the sound in. Mother, moon, milk, mouse, monkey, mirror. Mother, mother. Moon, moon. Milk, milk. Mouse, mouse. Monkey, monkey. Mirror, mirror.